Hey there guys, today Brinks lock here. Got this from Bill. This came out of his magic box of locks. Go ahead and pick it open for you. I'll be using the double-ended tension tool. It's been slimmed down on one end as my tensioning wrench. Get it in there. There we go. And I'll probably be using both my Southward picks, just the Slimline Max and the hook pick from the Pagoda set. This lock is extremely difficult for me to pick because the keyway is so tight, so I'm just going to try to get them in a false set, and then from there try to get them open. Probably won't be talking too much. Seems like every time I talk I can't pick the lock. It's just really a tight keyway, and I can feel most of my pins on the shaft of my pick, and it doesn't really drop into a big false set. When it is in a false set, it's really hard to tell. Alright, I had two false sets there, so I think I almost got this open. Or not. Got a deeper false set there. Got another deeper false set. Shit. Got another deeper false set. Thank God I got that on camera. There it is, picked open. Brinks. I'm not sure what number it is. Doesn't really have any numbers on it. And this is a bitch to pick. Here's a look at the key bitting. And maybe the key bitting might show why it's so hard for me to pick. Get that one cut. The very tip, it's really low. The next one's really high. So I'm just struggling with that, I think. There it is, picked open. I'm glad I got that done. As always, thank you for watching, and I do apologize that I could not talk very much while I was picking this lock. I tried making this video a couple times, and every time I was talking I kept messing up. So, but I seen a couple guys pick this. I remember Sideshow Mick picking this. Seems like he had a little bit of trouble with it, and I see why now. This is a very difficult lock. The keyway is really tight. There's hardly any room in there to maneuver your pick around, plus the tension wrench. But there it is, picked open. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good night.